Good morning students. In the last video, we have discussed about the different type of gametes, right? कि मेल और फीमेल gametes कैसे होते हैं, plant body कितनी तरह की होती है, I have discussed about that. Now, today I will discuss how the gametes are formed. अब ये gametes बनेंगे कैसे? In the last video, I told you that gametes are always haploid. Clear? Now, let's see how these gametes are formed, which is the first step of pre-fertilization changes, right? Or the events. Now, cell division during gamete formation. What type of cell division is there so that gametes are formed? Let's see. Now, there are two types of organism. One is haploid organism, another is diploid organism. What are haploid and diploid organism? Haploid organism are those which are having, you can say, half number of chromosome, or you can say the single chromosome, not in pairs. We call it haploid. These are the simple organism. We are diploid because we are having chromosomes in pairs. Like this is one chromosome, this is another chromosome. Okay? So this is diploid chromosome, having pairs. So higher organisms are mostly diploid, but in haploid organisms are also found in lower organism. If the organism is haploid, अगर उसमें हाफ नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम है, देन दे विल प्रोड्यूस द गैमेट्स बाय माइटोसिस. तो उनमें माइटोसिस होगा बट मियोसिस नहीं होगा. क्लियर? बिकॉज ऑलरेडी दे आर हैविंग हाफ नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. एंड एग्जांपल्स आर मोनेरा, फंजाई, एल्गी एंड ब्रायोफाइट्स. इट्स नॉट 100% बट मैक्सिमम और मोस्ट ऑफ दीज ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर हैप्लॉइड बॉडी. क्लियर? यू हैव डन इन +1 the life cycle. And they are producing gametes by mitosis. Now, if we talk about those organisms which are having diploid body, means already their chromosome number is double. So, gametes are n in number. Clear? So, in these cases, meiosis occur, right? So, they will produce the gametes by the which cell division? Meiosis. Example: pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, and most of the animals. Even we are having diploid body. In our body also gametes are produced by the meiosis, reductional division you can say, right? Now, in diploid organism, there are special type of cells which form the gametes. Every cell is not able to produce the gametes. Remember one thing, ये नहीं कि आपकी बॉडी का कोई भी सेल आएगा और गैमीट बना देगा. No, it's not like that बेटा. बॉडी में कुछ खास सेल्स होते हैं. There are special type of cells which are capable of producing gametes. And what we call those special cells, we call it meiocytes. What is called? Meiocytes. Those special cells are called meiocytes. Now these meiocytes undergo meiosis. अब ये reductional division करेंगे. It means the polarity of the meiocyte is 2n. Diploid है ये meiocytes. Remember this thing. ये question आया हुआ पेपर में NEET में. So what is the polarity of meiocyte? 2n. Now these meiocytes undergo meiosis. इसमें meiosis होगा, which is reductional division, and they will form the gametes which are haploid. Clear this point? Now, so this is how the gametes are formed, right? The second event of the pre-fertilization is, now gametes are formed. Now these gametes has to reach the फीमेल गैमीट. अब मेल और फीमेल गैमीट्स को अटैच होना बेटा, जुड़ना है, एक दूसरे के पास जाना फॉर द फर्टिलाइजेशन. तो हाउ दीज गैमीट्स आर ट्रांसफर्ड, अब ये जाएंगे कैसे एक दूसरे के पास? नाउ वी कॉल इट गैमीट ट्रांसफर. सो हाउ दीज गैमीट्स आर ट्रांसफर्ड, देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज. दिस इज मेल गैमीट, ये मैंने एक छोटा सा मेल गैमीट बनाया बेटा. दिस इज फीमेल गैमीट. अब इस गैमीट को यहाँ तक आना है. क्लियर? तो देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज. The first way is by water. पानी से जा सकते हैं. तो पानी से जाएंगे वही जो पानी में होंगे बेटा. तो like in algae, bryophytes, clear? That's why bryophytes are called amphibians, because they need water for their completion of life cycle. You have done it. तो algae and bryophytes, because they are having water, so in that case male gamete with the help of water reaches to the female gamete. Now, then there is one problem. When these gametes are going to the female gamete, they are at the different areas. So, large number of male gametes are damaged or wasted. Understand? तो जब जाने में रास्ते में बहुत सारे gametes waste हो जाएंगे, तो in this case when the male gamete reaches to the female gamete by water, there is one adaptation you can say. तो इसके अंदर जो मेल गैमीट्स है वो लाखों में बनते हैं, दे आर फॉर्म्ड इन लार्ज अमाउंट, क्योंकि प्रोबेबिलिटी है ना, जब बहुत सारे होंगे तो कोई ना कोई तो पहुंच ही जाए. सो दैट्स वाई टू ओवरकम दैट डैमेज दे आर प्रोड्यूसिंग लार्ज नंबर ऑफ मेल गैमीट्स, राइट. सेकेंड इज हायर प्लांट्स. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट सीड प्लांट्स, अब सीड प्लांट्स में क्या है, दे आर रीच, जो मेल गैमीट है दैट इज इनसाइड द पॉलन ग्रेन. आपको पता है ये एंथर्स होते हैं, एंथर्स के अंदर क्या बनते हैं, पॉलन ग्रेन्स बनते हैं. पॉलन ग्रेन इज नॉट द मेल गैमीट, पॉलन ग्रेन के अंदर मेल गैमीट बनना मिला. ओके, ये बात ध्यान से सुनो, हम बाद में भी करेंगे इन द सेकंड चैप्टर कि पॉलन ग्रेन्स एंथर के अंदर बनेंगे. नाउ दीज पॉलन ग्रेन्स आर देन माइग्रेटेड टू द स्टिग्मा और द फीमेल पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लावर. नाउ विद दिस, or you can say in the pollen grain now male gametes are formed. So it can be carried by the different agencies. ये हवा से भी जा सकते हैं, insects भी इसको carry कर सकते हैं. Clear? Now there are different type of flowers. Like bee if I am talking about, तो उसमें male और female दोनों parts पास में हैं. तो here in the anther pollen grains are produced, then immediately they will fall on the stigma. In case of bisexual flowers, ठीक है, तो इसमें तो इजीली हो जाएगा बेटा, दे रीच इजीली. एंड इफ दे आर यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर्स, मतलब एक मेल पार्ट इसमें फीमेल फ्लावर कहीं और लगे लाइक इन पपाया, तो देन दे आर कैरिड बाय द विंड और इंसेक्ट्स और बाय सम अदर एजेंसीज, एंड देन इट विल रीच टू द you can say stigma. And after that inside the stigma, you know that ovary is there, and inside the ovary egg is there. तो pollen tube grow करेगी और उसके अंदर मेल गैमीट्स बनेंगे, and those male gametes reaches to the egg, right beta? So this is how the gamete is transferred from male body to the female body, or how the male gamete reaches to the female part. Clear? For the next step, which is fertilization, and that is only possible when these two gametes come closer, right? So this is the things. But if one point I just forget to tell you, if there are different flowers, then pollen grains has to shift from one flower to another. एक flower से दूसरे flower में जाएंगे. We use one term for it, that is pollination. Clear बेटा? Now I have explained it, how the types of plant bodies and how the gametes are formed by which cell division and how they are transferred. After that, the next step of sexual reproduction is fertilization, which we will do in the next video. Thanks and have a nice day.